Good day, traders. This is Rich Derrick from Tradesight. Just wanted to take a few moments here and talk about the current design of the chart of Royal Gold. That's RGLD. What we're going to do is we're going to take a look at our Seeker study, which is a proprietary tool to count out both time and price and look for key inflection points. What we have here is we've got daily bars of Royal Gold here. What we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the recent signal that we got. This is back in May, alerting us to start preparing to be long of RGLD after a fairly decent decline. We had a series of drops here, but the most important of which was this Seeker countdown right here, which are the candles that are numbered with the red numbers. We got all the way from 1 to 13, and we got our Seeker exhaustion buy signal here in early May. You can see that after we get the Seeker buy signal, there's a risk level associated with that that's automatically plotted on the chart here to tell us if in fact that the buy signal has failed, and if so, where to activate the stop and to get out. But you can see that we never penetrated this on a closing basis, and what in fact happens is after just a couple of candles to kind of reset itself, it pivoted to the upside here and started a pretty decent move that wound up taking out the prior highs. Now a lot of folks were getting long Royal Gold up in this area when it exceeded the prior high, only to have it start going laterally on them. But the folks in Tradesight who were using the Seeker tool were well aware of the fact that this was projected to happen and that this move should have happened right around this time. And in fact, we were getting long this in here and enjoy this whole ride up to here before we started to level off and go laterally. But that's not really where this trade stops. I want to project this forward a bit and take a look at the more recent trading action. Now here's a look at the chart again. I've just compressed it to show more of the up-to-date data. You can still see the same setup here. We had this decline. We had our 13 buy signal put in place off of the Seeker. We went up here. You got the classical breakout over the prior high right in this area, but you can see it started to want to consolidate itself. So it did so, giving the people who bought this breakout a bit of a problem and a test to stay long this. But since this alerted us earlier, the entry was down in this area for the longs, so this is still well in the money for us. We're using the Tradesight Seeker. What I want to turn your attention to is the more recent price action, which I'm going to expand the chart on now. We had a number of impulses to the upside here, then this consolidation, and we've got this new impulse going to the upside here. Now we've had this organized setup here, the green 1 through 9 up above these candles, and now we've proceeded into an exhaustion countdown on the upside, which would be the complement to that buy signal that we got down well below the $60 area. Now that we're pushing up through $100, the question is how far can this go before this pattern runs out of steam? Well, the thing is we've gone from 1 to 11 in the countdown, and we know that if we get to 13, we're going to have a high probability inflection point. So we're actually working on candle number 12 today, which isn't complete. So if we have a strong close today, we're going to have bar 12, and then one more strong close will lead us to bar 13 and then the complementary sell signal. So this is something that we're going to be watching closely next week, and I just wanted to make everyone aware of the fact that this is getting extended and is on the threshold of getting ready to experience what is likely going to be a reversal to take this price back down and not just a consolidation. So let's pick this up again next week and see how the Royal Gold RGLD is playing out. If you'd like to learn more about the Seeker tool from Tradesight, please feel free to take a trial. There's a free trial for the Seeker tool, and there's also a free trial to pop into the trading lab where you can talk to the analysts in real time about these, and we can share charts as well. Again, this is Rich Derrick from Tradesight. Good trading.